Hi everyone, I'm Bill Sanders and this is Watch Art Sci, the art and science of watch collection. One of the things that watch collectors I think have in mind is where is the next great watchmaker coming from? Um, about 22 years ago, 1999, F.P. Journe started his own watch business, F.P. Journe, and he's been very successful over the years. And people will wonder, well, will another one like F.P. Journe emerge out of France and become a wonderful watchmaker? And I think the answer is yes. Here are three young French watchmakers who've started off. Just all three of them are really incredible. Um, so let's take a look at them. Now, the first one is Remy Couz. His watch that he had in school, he made a tourbillon clock, and when he finished school, he went to work for I think it was Gerbil Force, and shortly thereafter, he decided, well, he's gonna start his own watch business. Came out with a subscription tourbillon, and he priced them they were 85,000 euros a piece. He made nine, sold them all. A good start for the subscription tourbillon is the 60-second tourbillon. You can see it is down there at 6 o'clock. It has a large variable inertia wheel, which I just love big balance wheels for the inertia. Runs at 18,000 semi-oscillations per hour, 40 millimeters. What a great watch. If I had 85,000 euro, I would think about buying it. I do not. Now, another young French watchmaker is Theo Afo. And Afo is his tourbillon that he entered into the Grand Prix and was made it to the nominations. It's called a tourbillon Grand Sport. It's a manual winding mechanical power reserve of 50 hours. Now this one runs at 21,600, 3 hertz instead of 2.5. And this watch, you can take a look at it there, and you can see the workmanship as well as the horology in it. Uh, quite quite a bit of wonderful work on this watch. And I believe he was one of the guys who won an award for, and I think it may have been from F.P. Journe for the work that he did as a student as well. Young guys, every one of them, and their watches are way above way above the crowd. Now, this last one is by Seville Brivy Nadeau. His work from the get-go, I have just was always I really liked it. I'm not a huge fan of tourbillon, but I certainly admire people who can do it. This one is like exactly the kind of watch I like. Very creative dial. It's simple. It's manual key wound watch. You wind it up with a key, and so there's no key works to gobble things up. And you have a very clear view of the watch. This is 40 hertz, 18,000 semi-oscillations per hour. All three of these watchmakers are kind of guys that are doing things that point to really great things down the road. Now, I would like to see something with all three of them that would come out with a watch that was a little more in line with what your average watchmaker can't afford. I'm not even suggesting for a minute that they should stop making these incredible watches that they're making, but rather see if there's some way they could make it for the rest of us. And so if there is a new F.P. Journe, one of these guys will make watches that we can all afford. Let me know what you think. And until next time, this is Bill Sanders for Watch Art Sci, the art and science of watch collection.